Some days ago, a news broke out that the federal government is planning to convert the deposits in domiciliary accounts into Naira. And on this channel, I do recommend using domiciliary accounts to receive your earnings on the internet as a professional content creator or an entrepreneur, because it is the sure or easiest way to preserve the value of your earnings from being depreciated by inflation.
This is less than $100. Less than $100. Hey!
So this news broke out some days ago, and you can imagine the panic among Nigerian online entrepreneurs and content creators, especially those in diaspora who still receive their online earnings into their domiciliary accounts back here in Nigeria. So some of them asked me what is the implication or what will this lead to. For me, I'm not an economy expert, so I have to reach out to some experts within my network, and almost all of them said they can't interpret this new development, that they're still waiting for the development to unfold. Fortunately, the governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria was interviewed by Arise News TV channel, and this was the second question his host asked him, and this is what he has to say.
Again, you have the domiciliary question about what the central bank or the government was planning or not planning to do. What's the true state of things as far as domiciliary accounts concerned in the commercial banks?
Yes. Now, from what I can see, there's been a recent publication, an article that went around stating that the federal government had intentions of using the domiciliary account balances and converting them to Naira. As the governor of the central bank, I can tell you that nothing could be further than the truth.
The governor has cleared the air about converting your legitimately funded domiciliary account to Naira, that the government never planned to do so. So this interview is all we needed as agents that support the Nigerian economy through our skills on the internet. Have you ever imagined how many millions of dollars is being remitted into the African economy by YouTube creators through AdSense? Much less online professionals raking in more as remote employees to international firms. So if you are worried about the news that broke out some days ago, be rest assured that your earnings in your domiciliary accounts are safe, at least according to the CBN governor, and we hope that nothing changes from here. If you want to watch the full interview on the Arise TV channel, the link to the video is in the description, so you can check it out to watch the full interview. And I'll be live on this channel on Friday to discuss more about this and how you can increase your YouTube channel's CPM. And do you trust that the government won't do something funny in the future? Let me know your thoughts about this issue in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if this information was helpful, and also share it to other content creators who might be worried about the breaking news that took place some days ago, and to let them also be rest assured that their DOM accounts are safe. So thanks for watching. See you in my live.